Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use gesture controls in Insta360 Ace Pro. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen. Inside you should find this hand button, click on it. That way you'll be able to activate gesture controls, and there's two of them: video gesture examples and photo gesture examples. So video gesture examples works like this. When you enter it, you can see the palm, and now if you show the palm in front of the camera, it will start or stop a video recording. And then we have a photo gesture. You will need to make a peace sign to take a photo in front of the camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.